Do you want to change printer default settings in Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Whether you are printing a single document or multiple documents from a program on Windows, you will have to configure the print settings first. The printer settings page in Windows allows you to configure various options including paper size, page orientation, and page margins. Let's get started on how to change printer default settings in Windows. Open and change printer settings in Windows. Following a quick setup, you can start printing immediately. However, you might need to configure a few printer settings. You can even set the default printer here. These steps will help you open and change the printer settings on your Windows 11 computer. Launch the Settings app by pressing Win+I keys. In the Settings app, select Bluetooth and devices from the left side. On the right side pane, you will see a tab named Printers and Scanners. Click on it. Now you will see the list of all the printers that you have added to your computer. Click on the printer, the settings of which you want to change. Click on the tab named Printing Preferences. This will open a pop-up window where you can change your printer settings. There is also an advanced button that lets you change some advanced settings of your printer. How do you add a printer in Windows 11? You can easily add a printer in Windows 11 via the Settings app. For this, you have to open the Printers and Scanners page in Windows 11 settings. There, you will find the Add a Printer or Scanner option. Additionally, you can add a printer to your Windows 11 computer through the control panel. Simply open the control panel and select large icons in the View By mode. After that, click Devices and Printers, and then click on the Add Device button next to the Add a Printer option. Where do I find my printer properties? You can open printer properties in Windows operating system via the Settings app. Follow these steps. Launch the Settings app, go to Bluetooth and Devices, then Printers and Scanners. Select your printer from the list and then click on the Printer Properties tab. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.